So here's problem number 43 from section 3.7. It asks the question, which of these could be true if f double prime is this particular value? Now the way I would like to attack this is, first of all, for things that have a lower number of derivatives, lower than double prime, I'm going to simply take the derivative of that starting point and see when I take derivative f derivative, do I end up at this particular spot? So, for example, in example A, so if I say that f of x is equal to 3/2 x to the 2/3 minus 3, and then I take the derivative of both sides of this equation, I end up with f prime of x is equal to 3/2, bring the power down, that's 2/3, and then reduce the power by 1, and I get negative 1/3. Did I do that one correctly?
I was getting negative minus 3 instead of minus 1. Well, it doesn't matter.
Wait, did I do it correctly?
Yes, but you wrote minus 1 instead of minus 3.
Okay, so wait, is up here written correctly?
No.
Okay, 3/2, 2/3.
You said minus 3,
down.
but you wrote minus 1.
At the top.
A, the end has minus 3.
Oh, this is a 3, and that, okay, so it didn't matter. Okay, got it. So those cancel, and so what I have is f prime is equal to x to the 1/3. Of course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative again to see if I started there, do I end up in the right place? Does f double prime ends up being negative 1/3 x to the negative 4/3. Does that match this? No. So A, boo, doesn't count. It doesn't match what we're looking for. All right. How about B, where we say f of x is equal to 9/10 of x to the 5/3 minus 7. Hey, I even wrote 7 correctly. Take the derivative of both sides, we end up with f prime of x is equal to 9/10 times 5/3 times x to the 2/3. Double check my work, please. It is good? All right, let me do a little cleanup. This 3 and that 9 turned into a 3. This 5 and 10, that turns into a 2. So f prime of x is equal to 3/2 times x to the 2/3. F double prime of x is equal to 3/2 multiplied by 2/3 times x to the negative 1/3. 2's 2's, 3's 3's. I get x to the negative 1/3, and that matches that. So B gets a star. We're okay with that? All right. I'm going to, because the attack is similar, I'm going to do D next. If f prime of x is equal to 3/2 x to the 2/3 plus 6, that means f double prime of x is going to be constant multiplier, bring the power down, reduce the power by 1, cancel, 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 cancel. That one looks like it works as well. So I think D is okay. That leaves us C. Is C consistent with f double prime being this? Well, in this case, I want to go from a double prime to a triple prime. I'm going to start with what their answer is, and I'm going to take the derivative, and I'll get f triple prime of x is equal to, bring the power down, reduce the power by 1, 4/3, and then I say, is that consistent with answer C? And the answer is yeah. So we end up getting that A is not good, but B, C, and D are good. They're consistent with that second derivative. All right, there's 43.